Hi everybody, welcome back to the Freaking Jeep and Toys Garage if you're returning. If you're new to the channel, make sure you like and subscribe. I hope to see you more as we're going to be putting out more videos, and we're going to be doing a project. We got another WJ we're going to be building. And over there the Monkey Mechanics got her little Liberty. And we've got some eco diesel stuff we're going to be doing because we've got a couple of Grand Cherokee eco diesels, and let's see. Oh yeah, we're going to be doing some John Deere lawnmowers. We got a couple of them to restore too. So I hope you can tune in and join along. Make sure you leave comments, like everything you see, hopefully. And if you don't like it, well, leave me a message and let me know what I did wrong. I know I make mistakes, but I hope to see you again real soon. So thanks for tuning in. Remember to build it bigger, better, faster, but just build it. See you in the next one. Thanks.